Hey guys, Wei here, and I've been using my iPad Pro for 3 weeks. I think it's about 3 weeks now. It has sort of replaced my MacBook now. Yeah, I've just been learning to use the iPad Pro more and relying on it for everyday use as a student. You might be thinking, Wei, what keyboard are you using? You guys might know where I'm going towards this, but I've been using the Folio keyboard for my 2018 iPad Pro. So this is the single lens one, as you can tell, and I'm just gonna take it out. 11 inch. This is the 11-inch one. So this is the keyboard I've always been using. Nice simple Folio key, and just using my iPad Pro like how I use my MacBook. But today I got, you could say I got an upgrade. Well, I did actually got an upgrade, but, well, it is an upgrade. Oh, it's a lot heavier too. I got the iPad Pro Magic keyboard. This is the one with the trackpad. If I can fix it up. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. It's the one with the trackpad. Damn. And I'm gonna unbox it right now. So yeah. New iPad Pro Magic keyboard. And it's probably gonna replace, I'm just gonna put this aside here real quick without scratching it. It's gonna replace my Folio keyboard. So yeah, unboxing time. This is always the best part. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Can't handle anything. New keyboard. My only worry is that the cutout. So, as you guys saw earlier, I've got the single lens iPad Pro, which means it's the 2018 iPad Pro. And damn, this is nice. Oh, it's got a heft to it too. It's a lot heavier. Like, I've been watching videos about this keyboard specifically, like Justine, Marquez, and everyone's just saying it's heavier. But my question is, how's the iPad Pro? So, how's this iPad Pro gonna look in that cutout? So you see, it's like the iPhone 11 Pro's cutout. So yeah, is it gonna look good? I don't know. One thing's for sure, this is so much heavier. It is. It's like, you got no clue how. Well, unless you've got it right now. But, let me just grab this. Put this guy aside. Oh my god. Oh, it's not much heavier, I don't think. Slightly heavier. Okay. So that keyboard aside. Box aside. Gotta always keep it clean. Oh, let's go. Oh. Different material. Different, way different. This is more like a, I don't know, this is the last time you see it so clean. Oh, I've already got grease on it. But yeah, it's a way different material, definitely. Wow. It's a lot more premium than this. This is like, I don't know, some rubber-like thing. This is more like a Alcantara. Yeah. nice. Put that aside. Oh, this is every time. This gets me every time. Just unboxing, you know. Ooh, okay. Gonna have to get used to that. Clicks there, and then you gotta push it. Ooh. You really gotta use strength, like, to push it. Wow. And you don't know if you're, like, gonna break it, but... Damn, yeah. Damn. But yeah, I'm afraid of breaking it. Like, you gotta use so much strength just to open it. Like, in videos, it's just like... It's like snap, snap. It's like so easy for people, but... Oh... Paper, oh, damn, okay. I don't know, I'm actually gonna love this keyboard. I don't know, it's gonna be in the road. Doesn't like it. Paperwork. Nothing in there, I don't think, other than paperwork, but... Don't need paperwork, do I? Half the time it's just a box's weight. Plastic in the... Should I put that keyboard in there and use this for a week? Yeah. I call yes. Oh, I don't know. See, keyboard. Oh, barely fits. Done. I like keeping it aligned. There it is. I'll check in another week. I'll tell you how I feel about that. But yeah. Wow. I need sponsors, do you think? D-Brain? Okay, yeah, see? That's my question. Oh wow, effortless. Keyboard's already light up. Okay, so if I could move away. Okay, keyboard's light up. Yep, no. The keyboards, the keyboards is so heavy. Okay, so you gotta like actually go into keyboard, hardware, brightness. How bright does it get? Oh, decently bright. I'll do more in a coming up video, but oh yes, definitely we're getting away. Ooh. Damn, nice keyboard. And then that backlight. Oh. I don't know. Looks like caps lock's not working. I don't know, looks like the caps lock's not working. Text replacements. I'll do more of an in-depth video after. So yeah, that's a short iPad Pro unboxing. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, my iPad's already dropped 1%. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.